We dey call you since they call you just dey go.
What's that? Why you guys stopping me?
A lot.
Problem.
We just dey run. You know say we don't speed the call. I want to ask question. Wetin Branko dey tell you?
Wetin you tell me no concern you now. It's none of our business.
You don't talk again. Make I talk. See, but I see the time where he collect big.
Oh, that big cucumber. I like big thing now. I like big cucumber. Wetin happen? Why did they laugh?
No.
Na bad thing.
No.
Wetin happen?
No, nothing. But you know say that big thing where you collect. I dey like her now. You go tell her.
Problem na. That Ogbenge one why they like.
You understand?
I dey like big thing. Wetin na?
No problem. Nothing. We just as you dey like the big thing. I even myself, I like big thing pass.
You two are gossipers. I don't have your time. Stop me again.
You go marry this one. Now we go.
But no problem. You know what happen now? We will just run go back to him. Find out.
Where we go? What thing happen? You go tell us.